So, hello everyone. Today we are going to have a role play. Role play is, I'm telling you what the role play is. Ankit, you are going to play the character of a husband, okay?
Right, sir.
And Richa Singh, you are going to play the character of a wife. Wife means you are the wife of a poor husband who makes less money, but you have lots of desires which are not being fulfilled by the husband. So when husband comes back from office, then the quarrel has to take place in the house. तूने ये नहीं दिया, कभी सिनेमा नहीं ले गया, कभी साड़ी नहीं दी, तू तू मतलबी है, whatever thought comes to your mind, you have to speak out. So I'm going to start it. Okay, Ankit, shall we begin?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
So you have to knock the door, enter, and then scene will start. Three, two, one, action.
Knock, 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 knock. Ting
Yes,
tong.
I'm coming. Hi, Ankit. Come inside.
Oh, hi, Richa. I'm so tired. Can you get me a cup of tea, please?
Okay, wait for a minute.
Yeah, it was a hard day for me. I worked all day.
How was your today?
Yeah, it was a hard day. I carried on working and working. So please get me a glass of water and a cup of tea. That would be nice of you.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. But first of all, you listen to me very carefully.
Mm-hmm.
Today I saw my neighbor. He has a big car, and I want also a big car.
Well, Richa, I have just come back home, and instead of giving me tea or water, you have started, with your complaints. You always complain. You never, take care of your husband. I think you should
Because you
first of
don't
all,
fulfill my wishes.
what do you
You never
want?
say.
What do you want? Do you
I,
want me to go
I
back to
want lots
office?
of things. I
I
want lots of
know,
things in my
but you
life.
can talk to me about these things later on. Right now, let me relax at least. I think you should behave properly. Don't be such narcissist.
I behave like a good woman, but you don't behave like a smart man. I want to, I have lots of ambitions to, I want lots of jewelries, dresses. See your son. First, me see
Look,
Aman.
whatever I can do, I do for you both. Okay? I give my 100%. Can't you see I have just come back from my office? And very soon I'll be getting more salary and then I will fulfill all your demands. Even I want you to be happy I want you to have everything.
You are
But you should
always
show
saying
some
that.
patience.
You are
Yeah,
always,
but
you are
if you
always
keep on
saying that.
fighting with me, I become frustrated and
You are
I
not
can't
going to
concentrate on my
you are
work.
not going to fulfill my all wishes. I want to rich. I want to become rich like my neighbors. See, they have a big house, big cars, lots of
Okay,
jewelries,
okay, you
clothes,
if
but
you
I
want
have
that
don't.
only, you can leave me and you can marry with someone else, and you should do it. Yeah,
Okay, I can do it. If you don't
I'm
mind,
fed
I
up with
can do
you.
it.
Yeah, I'm fed up with you.
Me too. Me too. I am also fed up with you.
Yeah,
I'm
Raj,
going
my
to my
friends have
father's
wives
home.
and look at them.
I'm
Whenever
going to
the
my
husband
father's
comes,
home.
they come up with their tea coffee. They even try to make their husband comfortable. On the other
My
hand,
life,
you
my
always
life
you always
become
scold
going
me.
to be
You always
hell.
blame me.
Yes,
You
because you
always
don't
fight with
fulfill my
me.
wishes. Yes, because you don't fulfill my wishes. I want a big house,
what is your
lots of
what is more
money,
important for
but
you? What is more important for you, money or love?
love with money. I want both.
Sorry, I can't do it for you. Okay,
what
every
is
person
what?
is not equal. You may go to someone else who can give you money. I can't give you money.
You can see my neighbors, you can see my relatives. They have lots of money. They
Your
enjoying a
father has,
lot.
yeah, because
They
his
are doing
father-in-law gave
they're
him
doing
such and
lots
such
of
things. My
vacations,
father-in-law hasn't
big
given me a
cars.
single penny. My father-in-law
Their
hasn't
kids,
given me a single penny. He gave me only you, a complaining woman
their
who
kids
always
are
complains.
studying in big schools. But look at your son.
रिचा गुस्से में
He's
आओ,
look like
गुस्से में आओ।
he's
वो कह रहे हैं कि
he's look like a.
मेरे ससुर ने मुझे कुछ नहीं दिया, इस पे गुस्से में आओ कि ससुर
Yeah, he hasn't given me a single penny. He only gave me
Excuse
you.
me. You want
Look
to
at my
you
friends.
want to
Their
say
father-in-laws
you
have
want
given
to
him
say my
big
father
cars,
don't give you dowry?
house. I'm not talking about dowry. At least he should have given me
Excuse
some
me.
gift. He hasn't given me a
Excuse me,
single penny. I'm
you
not asking for
talking about
dowry.
the dowry. You talking
You
about
have
the
brought up
dowry.
all these issues,
How
and
can
then
you
I
say?
have to reply
How
to
can you
you.
say that's my father
Why I
doesn't
can't
give
say
me
this?
a
Why I
single
can't say
penny?
this? You keep on blaming me, and you always give me examples of my neighbors. Then I can also give you examples of my friends who have big cars.
Because
Their
your neighbor
father-in-law gives
started
them.
with you. Because your neighbor started with your job.
No,
He
do you know
have
Mr.
a
Sharma?
lot of.
Do you know Mr. Sharma? His father-in-law gave him a beautiful car and diamond ring and everything.
Excuse
And my
me.
father-in-law
You are
hasn't given
talking
me a
about
single
the
penny.
dowry, huh?
You and your father always, put blame on me.
You have a sick mind. You have a totally sick mind, and you are impossible. You are totally impossible.
Yeah,
Look at your son. Look at your
Do
son.
you want me to go to a bank and rob a bank?
Look at
Now
your
you
son.
want me to commit
Listen
theft?
to me.
You
Listen to
want to
me.
make
Look
me a
at your.
criminal?
Yes, you are a criminal. You are a criminal. You have a criminal minded.
you are a criminal
Yeah,
right
yeah,
Look
now.
you
at your
can
son.
blame me. You can blame me for whatever
Look
you
at your
want to. There are
son. Look
ladies
at your
who
son.
are
He look
happy with
like a
one bread.
poor.
Okay,
There are
He look
ladies
like
who
a
are happy with
poor.
bread of peace.
okay,
One piece of bread.
Ankit, she's asking you to look at your son. He has been expelled from his school. Yeah.
Oh, my son has been expelled from school. Don't worry, son. I will try to arrange money and I will get you admitted again.
You are
Don't
not
worry.
able
But
to fulfill his fee.
you
You are
too,
not able to fulfill his fee.
you
Come
too,
on, I
please.
will fulfill his fees.
अमन गुस्से
Please
में आओ,
stop
गुस्से में
fighting.
आओ. पापा पापा अच्छे नहीं
He
है,
is a,
गुस्से में आओ.
he is
Papa,
expelled. He is
I'm
expelling
Aman,
expelled
you shut up.
with
college.
you.
Aman, you shut up. You keep on complaining like your mother. Your mother has taught you all these things. Shut up.
You
But why
You
you
should
are
keep
did?
silent when I'm talking to
totally
your mother.
impossible.
How dare you? How dare you to
How did you
speak in
slap
between?
him? How did you
Well,
Why?
slap
He's
him?
my
I'm
son. I will
speaking.
slap
Which
him.
kind of
I will
person you
slap
are?
him.
Which
I will
kind of
slap you
person you are?
also.
How did you slap
Behave
him?
yourself. You are always complaining against me. You are
You
always
are a
fighting
sick
with me.
mind.
24 into
You have
7.
a sick mind. You have a sick mind. How did you slap him? How did you slap him?
Why?
If
Why can't
only
I?
you slapped him also,
Yes, yes, I slap him.
I will give you a
Yes,
slap.
because you have spoiled him. Only because of you, he has been expelled from school. You always,
Excuse me.
you
Let's go.
Excuse me.
I
always,
want you to stay with
Excuse
father.
me.
again you are
It's
speaking.
not my
You,
fault.
you
It's
remain
not
shut
my
up.
fault. It's your fault. You shut your mouth. You shut your mouth. Understand?
No,
I don't
you
want to
That's
always,
speak
why
with you anymore.
you are not able to fulfill our wishes. That's why your
I'm
son
giving
going
you,
to be
I have given you a house. I give
expelled
you
in
two times
school.
meals. What else am I supposed to do?
You
The
didn't.
fees is so high.
That's
It's
a
not my
hard
fault.
hard
An-
Fees
work.
is so high. How
Hard
can I
work.
get
अंकित
10,000 rupees per month
अंकित you have to
for
listen, you
fees?
have to listen to रिचा first. पहले उसको पूरा रिचा को कंप्लीट होने दीजिए. या रिचा.
Okay. So I am leaving you right now, and I'm going to my father's house right now. Come on, Aman
Okay, you
beta.
can go.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
Yes.
take him also. Yeah, take him
And
Yes.
also.
I will
And never
see
come
you,
back.
and I will show you.
Yeah,
Goodbye.
yeah, show me. Whatever you can show me, show me. Okay? And never come back to my house again. I'm fed up with
Come,
you
Aman
and
beta.
your son.
Let's go.
चल अमन
Yeah,
बेटा चल.
go
Aman
to
beta,
hell.
let's go.
Yeah, go to hell.
Yes.
वाह
Don't
वाह.
We
come
both
back.
are leave
Yes.
your father. We both are
Okay,
leave your
fine.
father.
Yes,
Yeah,
mom.
He
fine.
have a sick mind. He is totally impossible.
Yes. Let's go.
And you are a goddess, na? To whom I should pray 24 into
Yes,
7.
yes, yes. I am a goddess. Yes, I am a goddess.
Okay, you may go. Okay, okay, you may go. Yeah.
वाह 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 बेहतरीन बेहतरीन. Lovely guys. This is what I really want in this batch. Fluency. Now ये मशाल, you are the father of Richa.
Okay, sir.
I'm telling you what the story is. Richa, along with Aman, will go to your house. You will be quite surprised. However, you have to console them and make them sit in the house. And when Richa narrates you everything, then you have to go to Ankit to ask about this. But Ankit will insult you as well. कि बे तू कैसा ससुर है? जितना अंकित में भड़ास होगा, Ankit will just take out all the frustration.
But what should I do? I can speak normally to
नो नो नो,
insist.
तुम भी गुस्से में आओगे कि मेरी तो गलती थी, मैं तो मतलब मेरी मत मारी गई थी कि तेरे जैसे दामाद को ढूंढा. फुल जितना हो सकता है यू हैव टू स्पीक कि
But
मैं
I just want to try to conjure Ankit to get back to my
या
thought process
फर्स्ट यू
again.
विल ट्राई बट द वे ही विल बिहेव आफ्टर दैट यू विल कम टू द कंक्लूजन दैट ही इज नॉट द राइट मैच. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. The second scene is you are at your home. Richa is going to knock the door along with Aman. Okay, scene starts. 3, 2, 1, action.
Ding dong.
Oh, hello. How, Betty? How are you?
Oh, hi, Daddy. Good morning. Come,
Where,
Aman,
where?
beta, come inside.
Okay, you both are come alone. Where is your husband, Richa?
Please, Dad, don't talk about this guy. This guy has a sick mind. He told me that your father not giving
First,
me
normal. You are so agree
any
in this time.
any single penny. He talking about the dowry. He has a totally
Please come
completely
inside,
sick
have a
mind.
seat. First, a sip of water. Aman beta, go and bring a tea for your mother and me. And meanwhile, I am talking to my talking to
I
Richa.
I
See, Richa,
I
this is your husband.
excuse
You
me, Dad.
you do not
Excuse
have a
me, Dad.
right to speak like that.
I don't have any. I don't want anything to take and eat. I want just justice. I want just
Don't you
justice.
know about the
I'm fed up.
reputation of
I'm fed
me?
up.
What the other people say,
I am
what the
fed up
neighbor
of this
will say
guy.
पूरा
about
सुनो
me?
This guy
मशाल
has
पूरा
a sick
सुनो.
mind.
Listen to
He
Richa first, na.
Okay.
he slept he slept our son badly, and he told me that he also slapped me. Which kind of person you searched for me? You can show me.
You
You
can
can show
see.
already.
You can see. You can
You
see.
can see.
See,
You can
Richa,
see.
these types of fighting is happen in everywhere. So it doesn't mean that ki you leave the husband house.
No, dad. He told me that he also wants to slap me. He already slapped my son, but he told
Okay,
me that he also wants to slap me. How can I live with this sick-minded of a guy? I'm fed up of this marriage. I'm totally fed up of this marriage. This guy was impossible. He don't listen to
you
me.
are angry too in this time.
He
Don't worry.
he is not able to fulfill my wishes. So I don't want to live in this married life. Please do something for me.
Richard, is the thing is that first of all, you just inform me about this fight. You do not have to leave the house without telling me. What about the neighbor? If neighbor see you come along with your without your husband, so it is very it's create a very bad impression to
I
your
don't care
father.
about the neighbors relatives. I don't know about these things, what will happen.
Okay, don't
But
worry.
I don't know myself. My ego is hurted. My self respect
Where is Aman?
Is
Where is
going
Aman?
is
destroyed.
going to be hurted.
I will talk to
My
Aman. I will talk
totally
to Aman
my
too.
self respect is going to be totally destroyed. I am fed up of this marriage. Please do something for me.
Okay. Aman,
Talk,
Aman, beta,
talk,
what happened with your
talk.
parents?
Yeah, he didn't give my fees and he slapped me because I just say a word.
Okay.
And he was also fighting with mother. He didn't fulfill any wish of my mother, and he
Are
didn't
you
give us
left from
anything.
your school? Are you left from your school?
Yes, they expelled me.
Okay, you expelled me. Where is Aman? Don't worry. At tomorrow evening, I will go to Aman house.
I mean,
So
Ankit, Ankit.
No,
Ankit house and
no, not tomorrow, not tomorrow. You
okay.
go right now. You
I
go right
don't
now.
think so. This is the right time. This is the high
This
time to
is the
talk
right
with.
time. This is the right
Okay,
time
don't worry.
to talk to
Don't
him. This is
worry.
the right time.
Aman, I will go with along with Aman. So, is that okay for you? I don't
Yes,
want to
yes,
go along.
yes.
Maybe.
But please save me from him.
Don't
He will
worry. Let's
slap
go.
me
Let's
again.
go. Okay, go and call the taxi. We will go to Ankit house and discuss about this
Okay,
matter.
Okay,
Okay.
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 fine.
Sir,
So
what is the situation next?
now you have to go to your son-in-law's house and ask him about everything, and
Okay.
he will be on fire. Ankit, you have to be on fire. Doesn't matter, irrespective of seeing anything. Be on fire.
Okay. Ting tong.
Audio is off. Yeah, go ahead.
Ting tong. Hello, Aman beta, open the door.
Ankit, beta, Ankit.
Ankit beta, open the door.
Halak? Oh,
Correct.
father-in-law.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, Ankit.
yeah. Come
How
in,
are
come in,
you?
come in.
How are you? First of all,
Uh,
just tell me.
I'm just okay. You tell me. Your daughter
You
has made me
already
mad
know.
already.
Yes, you already know why I come here. You already know about that, the situation and all.
No,
So
no.
what's
I'm
wrong
fed up
with
with
that?
your daughter, and I'm fed up with you also. Okay, I don't know why you have come,
What's
and I don't want you to come here.
you
You
don't
people
talk me
just
like
keep
that.
on
I am
disturbing
your
me.
father-in-law. You do not have the rights to talk me
Tell
like
me,
that.
how have you come here? How have you
I
come
am.
here? On which thing?
That's my daughter house. That's why I come here.
I came.
Okay, okay. No, I mean to say, on which transport have you come here?
By which transfer?
By taxi. By
By
taxi.
taxi. Now see yourself, you don't have even a private vehicle with you. You don't have
So
even a private car. It's
it
just such a
doesn't mean
shame.
that. It is
Come
not
on,
the same.
what does this mean? Everybody laughs at me when they look at you and your daughter.
This is the
Your
way he
daughter,
talks with her
24 into
Okay,
7.
daughter.
You shut up, Aman. Look, your daughter has spoiled
You,
my son also. He
yeah,
always
but why
misbehaves
you
with me.
didn't fill the fee?
And
It's
tell me one
your
more thing. Your
responsibility.
daughter
Just
keeps
tell me
on
about
fighting me
that.
24 into
Why
7.
you did not fill the fee? First of all, just tell me
Did
about
not
this.
Arey, the
submit.
fees is very high. The fees is very high. I will go
So
and talk to
who
the
told
principal
you?
and
Who told you to?
I will submit the fees next month. I will submit the
But
fees
what
next
about the
month.
this month? What
I
about
will
the this
fold
month?
hands to the principal. But fighting is not good. Your daughter keeps on blaming me. She's fighting me
You
24 into 7.
you
She
talk
doesn't
you
cook food for me. She doesn't give me tea
no. She
or
made a
water
good.
when I come back home. She starts
She
fighting me
cooks food
always.
for you.
And
She
today you
told
have
me she
also
daily
come
cooks food
and
for
you
you.
have also come and you are
You do
speaking
not
in her
have.
favor.
And how long you didn't? How long
Come
you
on,
haven't
it
been
was
go
my
to
biggest
outside for a
fault.
picnic and
It
all?
was my biggest fault that I married off your daughter.
You told to
I
my
should
daughter
not have
about the
been
Dori.
married to a beggar
You
family.
know,
I shouldn't have married in a beggar
I
family.
will sue
Mashal,
you
get
in the
angry. He's
court.
saying beggar
You
family.
know,
Get angry. Get angry. Beggar family, he
yeah,
said.
everybody
Okay.
told me, when I was getting
Ankit,
married
I
to your
will see you
daughter,
on the court. I will
everybody,
give you
Arey,
the
ruko
charge of
court, no
Dori.
court, listen to me first.
I
No
will sue
court, first
you.
of all,
I
listen
will
to
sue
me.
you.
First of all,
No,
listen to me. You can do
I
whatever
will
you
not
like to.
listen you. I have
I
a
know
rights.
you
Do
want
you
to
know
extract
about
money
the
from
woman
me.
rights? I
You
will go.
want to extract
I
money
will
from me, and that
drag
is
you
why
on the woman cell. Don't worry.
challenging me
Let's
to come
go,
to court.
Aman. I will show
Everybody
you the
told me
court. I
not to
have a
marry your
rights.
daughter.
One
I
time,
You
will
one
know,
give
time.
you
my
the Dori case
one of
on
my
you.
relatives,
One time,
one of
No,
one
my
time.
no.
relatives
What
told
about
me,
our relative? You do not respect me
yeah,
right
let me tell
now.
you. Listen,
One
one
time,
of my
one.
relatives told me not to marry in your family because you people are beggar and you only want money.
Same
And
here.
now you want to
Our
go to
relatives
court
also
so
told me
that you can
like the same
extract
day.
money
Ki,
from you.
Okay,
Ankit,
Ankit, now
Ankit,
listen. You
do
listen
not have
to
a.
Mashal. Yeah, Mashal, go on, go on, go on.
Okay, Ankit, don't worry. I have a human. I know about the rules and law. I will go. I will drag you on the court. I will sue
In
you.
other words, you want money from me. Now tell me how much money you want. Why are you keep on challenging me?
No, I am
he
not
didn't.
challenging you. I will fight to get my daughter's respect back.
It was my
This is
fault to marry in your family. It was my fault because you
this is
people
not
have
my fault. What about
no
your salary?
respect, no
On that
self-respect.
time you told us
You
you are
people
a
are sick.
manager at your company,
You
but you are
and
a
your
just a
daughter, you both are
salesperson on
sick.
that time. You told a lie on us.
Instead of teaching a lesson to your daughter, you are just like a pot calling a kettle black. Instead
No,
of
you.
teaching your daughter,
I
instead
talk.
of
I
teaching
ask.
Aman, you are giving lecture to me.
See,
You
Aman.
couldn't pay my fees, and you are saying that you will
Yes.
You
give
shut up, Aman.
my
No, don't
get my
behave
Dare
like
not
that.
speak when I'm
Aman have a
speaking.
right to talk to you like
When
that.
I am speaking, when two elders are
Aman
speaking,
is
then
come
the
with me.
little child should not
Don't
speak.
dare to talk
But
to
your
Aman
daughter
like
has
that.
spoiled him
I am
perfectly.
not
Let me
let
tell
you
you,
allow to
he
speak
plays
in front of
24 into
me.
7 on
First
road.
of all, keep
He
your
he only
tongue
does
down.
masti.
Keep
My
your
friend was
He
tongue
doesn't
laughing
do
down.
on
I
me when
anything.
don't
I was
mind
expelled.
what you're thinking
Why
about
didn't
our
you
family.
give pay my fees? My friend were laughing on me. And
Just
he
shut up. You are just
saying
your
to
mom.
pay
You
me.
are just your
What
mama's
about the
chamcha.
house rent? You do not have a own house. You are living in a
Why
rent
don't
house.
you pay the rent? All my friends' father-in-law pay rent. They give cars. They give
No.
silver ring,
What about your
diamond ring.
job? What
What
about
have
your
you given
on the
me? You
marriage
are such a
time?
beggar.
Your
You are such
parents
a
told us
beggar.
you
How
are
dare you
a
to speak
manager
me
of
like
the
that?
Okay,
company.
Ankit,
What
listen,
You
about
listen,
the
cannot
listen.
tell me
manager?
what to do and what not to do.
Ankit, listen to Mashal also. Mashal, go on.
Okay. On the marriage time, your parents told us you are a manager in the company, but still you are a salesperson right now. What about that lie? What
I
about your
was going
salary
to
fees?
be I was
I
going to be promoted, but you know what? Coronavirus came and everything stopped at that time. It's not my
but
fault.
what about the
What can
food
I
and
do?
free of
Coronavirus
offer?
came. Did I bring the coronavirus?
You can even
I did
arrange
not bring
a
coronavirus.
three
One
times
time.
of meals in a day.
Still I'm working. It is not enough for you.
It
Many
doesn't
people
mean
are
you
out
are
of job.
working.
One time,
Working.
one. One time,
I
one. One time, one. Hmm.
okay. It doesn't mean you are working. The mean is that you even not providing a three-time meals to my daughter and my son, to my
Your
son-in-law.
daughter, na sir, listen. Your daughter doesn't want 3 time meal. She want to suck my blood all the time.
No, this is not the.
Lovely.
You don't you have a sweet blood? I don't think so. You have a sweet blood. So
I
why
have sweet
she?
blood. That's why she drinks 24 into 7, and she
This is
wants
not.
car.
I am
She
here
wants
about
palace.
to.
She wants
I am here
shopping.
to
I don't
cajole
like
you
sweet.
about to get together with each other. But I don't think so. I am wrong in this time. But I don't
You
think so.
are
My
not here to
better.
cajole me. You have come here to insult me. Your daughter must have
Yes,
asked you to go and abuse
you
me.
are insulted
That's
guy.
why
That's
you
why I'm
have come and
insulting you.
insulting me.
Yes, you always insulted to other person, so this is the right to insult someone in front
No,
of you.
I'm very down to earth kind of guy.
If you are down to
But it
earth,
is you
why
people,
you
you
do?
and your
Why you
daughter.
are talking me like that? So aggressive. I'm
What?
older than
Come
you.
on. So
Don't
why
be
are you
blaming. I'm
blaming
just
me?
like your father.
Why didn't you
Are you
talk to your
speaking like?
daughter first?
Are you speaking with your father like that way? Is that
No,
so?
I'm speaking to you because my father is not like you, na. Instead
I'm
of
just kind of your
supporting
father.
me,
I'm just sort of your
instead of
father.
supporting me or supporting your daughter, you are biased against
I'm
your
not.
daughter, against
No,
me,
I.
sorry.
Every parents have the rights to sports his and her daughter. So I am supporting my daughter because she doesn't tell me lies. She told me about everything about your salary, about
You know,
your.
she always comes up with crocodile tears, nothing else.
Crocodile tears,
No,
yeah.
in this time you are doing crocodiles.
You're shedding, you're shedding,
you are
you're shedding.
shedding in this
But
time.
the
You are
problem
just
is that,
trying to overcome your problems to
but the
to
problem
keep
is,
your.
listen to me,
You are not facing
listen to
your
me,
problem.
father-in-law, listen to me,
Yes,
father-in-law.
I
But
want to. I want this type of tone from your side.
instead of talking to your daughter, instead of making her understand, you have come here and started shouting at me. Okay,
First
you are
of all,
fighting
I'm
with
not
me. You
started
are
shouted
blaming
with
me.
you.
I
First,
think
you
you people
sorted
want me to commit
yourself, then
suicide.
I was
I
agree,
think
and then when
I
started
think
shouting.
you people want me to commit suicide. I will write a suicide note and I will write
This is
name of
not
both
the
of you,
way.
your and your
Suicide
daughter.
is not the problem solution. You have to
What
make
can I
something
do
that
when I
you
have
can do.
two vampires
You
upon
just
me,
try
attacking all
to
the
solve
time,
your.
you and your daughter?
No, you are trying to solve your
Lovely.
problem first by first, one by one.
How dare you interfere in my family affairs? She is my wife,
I am
my son.
also a
Why
part
have
of
you
your
come?
family. I am
No, you
also
are
a
not
part
part
of
of my
your.
family.
Yes,
No,
I
you
am
only
your.
create disturbance. When I need any help, any financial help, you never show up.
I should
Okay? But
I
when there is
support you
any
in
fight, you
financial
always
help.
come.
What about your hand? What are your man mentality? Are you puppet? What are you doing right
No.
now?
Why? Why am I a puppet? Whenever I need something, you never show yourself face.
You are
Okay?
not
You
a man
remain
of
shut
words.
in your
You are
house.
not a man of words. What about your dignity? Do you want to live your life like to depend someone? Is that so? I don't want to
No, everybody,
independent.
if you are talking about a family, in a family, everybody helps each other. Look at my friends and look at you, look at your daughter.
Every time in every
Everybody
year,
laughs at
you
me.
want a
Everybody
financial help
laughs at
from me.
me. My all friends laugh at me.
Why?
Hey,
Why
look
the
at your
people are
wife,
laughing
look
about
at your
you?
father-in-law. He doesn't give you anything.
It is
Look
not
at
the
that.
problem of. It is
Okay,
I
not the
have
problem
nothing.
of your.
okay,
Whatever I have myself earned it.
okay. Mashal, now it's over. He's not going to get convinced. You have to go to either police station or wherever you want to go, you can go. Okay?
I will go with along with my Richa in
Yeah,
the police station.
yeah.
And who's the police officer? Who will
Yeah,
be the?
yeah.
Raj,
People like you only do this kind of things only. Okay,
okay.
you have no shame. First
Rajni,
of all,
if
you
you're
talk
okay,
about
Ankit.
family shame and you talk about
Ankit,
your self-respect. Now you are going to police
acting is
thana.
over right now. We have to go to police station. Then I will
Okay.
sue you on the court.
So,
Okay.
Rajni, if your audio is okay, you can be the police officer. The lady police can understand
Yes,
the
okay,
feeling.
sir. Fine,
Mm.
fine.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, sir, I will go to Richa place or I will go to Rajni to police officer.
Okay. First, go to Richa. Okay. अपने घर
Okay.
वापस जाइए. And
Okay.
then Richa will get angry and Richa will say, Dad, right now go to police station. I want to teach him a lesson. Or then you have to
So
go
what
to police.
about the Aman? Is that stay with your
Aman will
dad?
remain home. Aman will remain home. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Now come Richa. I'm come back. Where is Richa? Where are you?
Hey Dad, are you back? What
Yes,
happened?
Richa, you are right. You were right. I was wrong on that time. I went to Ankit house
Told
and
you, I told you, I told you this guy have a totally disturbing mind, sick mind. I told you.
he's a mental now. So don't worry. I am
I
with you. My family
I
will support you.
yes, yes, Dad. I want to teach him a lesson, a good
Okay.
lesson. So let's go to the police station. And
Let's go to the police
and
station. We will lodge a file against Ankit.
yes, yes,
Story
yes.
file.
Lodge an FIR. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Lodge
and
any
and
file. Let's go.
and daughter and father both are wearing the same color clothes.
Yes.
Lovely, it's
Yes,
matching
sir.
color. Okay, now go
Yes,
to
sir.
the
It
police
is.
station. Go to the police station.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. How are you?
How are you? Why are you asking how
I'm
are you?
fine.
Okay, okay. Hello,
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 ma'am.
police
Good
officer.
morning.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Sit down, please.
Can I talk? Can I talk? Can I talk?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Dad,
What
can
happened?
Dad
Why are you
Dad
crying?
Dad can I talk this lady officer?
Yes, I am the lady
Hello,
officer.
Dad.
Talk,
What
bolo.
happened? Tell me.
The thing is
I'm
that, ma'am,
Tell me.
she is
Why
my
are you
daughter.
crying? Why are you
I I
look? Okay.
I am talking with my father right now.
Okay, okay.
Hello, Dad.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Okay.
What's wrong? What happened?
Okay. Yeah, sir. You tell me. You
Okay.
tell
You
me.
the guys
Ma'am,
carry
The
on.
please
I'm
thing
take
is
just
over.
Yes,
coming.
that,
ma'am.
I'm just coming. The guys
Yes,
carry
ma'am.
on. Carry on.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
actually,
Okay.
I want
okay,
to tell my story.
Please listen
My
one by one. One by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
My
Tell me.
husband has a very sick mind. He told me that your father don't
Okay.
give me a single penny in dowry. He demands to dowry, and
Oh
he
my
slapped
God. He
me.
want
He
Dory.
sl- yes, ma'am. And he slapped my son very badly,
Okay.
and he told me that he also wants to slap me. So I want to teach him a
Okay.
good lesson. So you have to do just do
something.
you want to do
Madam,
anything?
do something about my. Look at my daughter. Look at the face of my daughter. Look at, she is brutally beaten
Okay. Fine.
yesterday.
Okay. I wrote your complaint. Let's go with me.
Wait a
How
second.
he beat you?
Let's
How he
continue
hurt
this
you?
conversation until the sir has
Come
not
with me,
came.
Mashal. You and your daughter come with me.
At
We
where
will
we will
see
go
the
with you.
Ankit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's go.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
go.
Ankit, are you ready? I am coming
yes,
with
yes,
my.
sir.
Ankit!
Yeah,
No,
I'm
first
ready.
of all, I just called the Ankit to you just. We will not go to Ankit
नहीं
house.
नहीं नहीं.
You just call the Ankit into
Don't
the
call
police station.
Ankit. Don't call
No, no,
him.
call,
Let's go.
come to my place.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay,
we will
let's
Let's
handle.
go.
Come
go.
to my
Let's
place.
go.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, ting
Um,
tong.
Ankit,
Ankit,
where
you
is
told
he?
me about the
Knock,
all
knock.
situation. Ankit, you told me about the. You are not afraid about the police. Please look at the police officer. She will
Oh,
talk to you about my
oh, oh,
why you beaten my
oh, officer,
daughter.
oh, officer, officer. It was just a family
Ankit?
affair. You should not have come.
Ma'am,
नहीं.
look at
She
his face.
told
Ma'am,
me
look at his
you
face.
beat her.
He have a two kind of personality.
Yes.
See.
No, no,
Few
ma'am.
hours later, she
Actually,
behaved
that
like a
time,
very aggressive man.
yeah,
She tried to
actually,
beat
that
me.
time I was angry.
Okay, first
I
tell
just came
me.
back from office,
I
so I was angry. But
okay.
I
I
love
want
my
He
wife so
I
he
much.
asked you
I
slapped
love
my
question.
son.
son very
They are my
badly.
life.
You can
Okay,
you
Diksha,
can
please
show
calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
you
I
can
talk
show
to
his cheeks.
I talk
You
to
can
him.
show his cheeks, ma'am.
Yes, Inspector.
Yes, I see. Okay, Ankit, what
Yes,
happened?
Inspector.
Why you beat her?
Oh, ma'am. Actually, I became angry whenever I come back from my office. Now she
See,
starts,
ma'am, he's drunk now. He's
You
ma'am,
drinking.
became
please listen
angry.
to me, ma'am. Ma'am, please listen to
नहीं
me.
नहीं
Na, they are
I
interrupting
just
in
asked.
between.
You became angry. If you became angry, so you beat your boss.
No, 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 ma'am. Actually, what happened when I came back from my
Then
office, I was
how
very
you beat
tensed
this lady?
because my boss had scolded me, so I was very
But there is
upset.
no right
But
to beat my daughter.
ma'am,
It
ma'am,
You are
they,
it
speaking very
this is not the
politely, ma'am.
reason.
ma'am,
Ankit,
it
this
is
is
all,
not the
ma'am,
reason.
Inspector Sir, it is all the fault of this man, his father-in-law, my father-in-law. He keeps on
Yes.
nudging his daughter. He keeps on nudging his
Mind your
daughter to
How
fight
dare
language,
you
against
touch
please.
me.
my
Mind your
daughter? How dare you
language. He
touch
is
my
my
daughter?
father.
No, no, no.
How
She's also my wife.
how
I
can
love
you
her.
talk like how can
If
you
you
talk
love her,
like he's my father?
why you
This
beaten
is
Mind
him?
not
your
love.
tongue.
Beaten
Because
her.
of you.
Ankit,
You keep
this is
on,
the love.
yes.
This is the
Ma'am,
love.
ma'am,
You
Inspector
love
Sir,
your
actually,
mother.
instead of,
You
See,
beat
Madam
her.
Inspector, see
ma'am,
the
actually,
behavior
it's
of
only
the
because of
my
my
son-in-law.
father-in-law. It is only because of my father-in-law.
Why you
What he
beat?
does now, he always, says bad things about me to his daughter. So his daughter
But
becomes very
why are
aggressive
you
and starts
blaming
fighting
my
with me.
father? Why are you blaming my father?
Because it
Why
is
are
he
you
who
saying
took you
like
to the
this?
police station. Ma'am, I'm very happy with my wife and kid. Just put this guy in
No,
jail.
no, no,
This
ma'am.
mother-in-law.
If you
I
are
am not
happy, so
happy.
why you should
I am not happy.
let my daughter alone
Now
नहीं नहीं
let
नहीं.
come
police
to
Let's
say
my
do
house?
something.
one thing,
Let police
Ankit.
say something. Police say something.
Bachar or Disha, please. I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
talk.
Please make them silent so that I can press my case to you,
Ankit,
ma'am.
tell me.
Actually, ma'am. Actually, I'm very happy with my wife and kid, and I love them to the moon and back. They are my
Yeah,
everything.
I
I
can
can't live
see
without
that.
them. But ma'am,
Ankit,
my father-in-law
see
na
that. I
is a
can see
very
that.
clever person.
You and
He
your
doesn't
wife
want he wants his daughter to stay with him so that she can
He
cook food for
always,
him.
always
Okay,
blaming to
so
my father. He always blamed my
nahi,
father.
and he
she
keeps on
will not
brainwashing his
cook your
daughter.
food.
No, she keeps on
If she
Ma'am,
won't
she
brainwashing
cook
my
your
always
food,
try to
daughter,
get
then you
money
my
beat
Rajni,
wife.
her.
from me.
police,
Then you
Rajni,
beat her.
police officer, you have right to make him stop. You know, ask him to keep his mouth shut, and you be angry. अब पुलिस वाली है ना, गुस्से में आई.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, tell me, Ankit.
Yes, ma'am. So actually, I'm very happy, and I don't have any issues with my wife and my son. I love them more than my life. But my
But I have
father-in-law,
lot of
my
issues. But I
father-in-law,
have lot of
Ankit,
issues.
Diksha,
yes,
even
ma'am.
calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I tell. Hi, Ankit,
Okay, ma'am.
you're happy with your wife?
Yes,
Then why
yes.
you beat her?
No, I only beaten my son because he was speaking in between us. I didn't beat Richa. I only said that I will beat her.
What
But
was the
how can I?
fingerprint
Why you
on
beat
her
your son?
check? My daughter check. Where he's come from?
I
What
think it
about
is
the
a
You
fake.
fingerprint?
don't
I think
know. You
it is
want
a
Dory
fake.
also? You want Dory
No,
also?
ma'am. Actually, sometimes,
No.
ma'am, what happens na? In anger, we say a lot of things which we really don't
No, no,
mean.
no.
He's
No,
speaking in
And
lie in
when
if
front
you
of you,
are angry, so you
madam.
beat
no,
Inspector
ma'am, no,
everyone.
madam
ma'am,
is speaking
If
in
you
lie.
are
ma'am, I'm very
And
down to earth.
this
I don't
guy,
want
this
anything.
guy is
Don't
always
take me to the
saying
police
like
I
station.
that.
see you keep
This
how.
guy is
Richa,
always
please
saying
calm
Oh,
down,
like
shut
that.
up,
Richa.
Ankit.
Richa, calm down.
Listen.
Don't
Richa,
How
fight.
don't be afraid
You
about
have
Ankit.
a,
can touch
Speak
your
whatever
wife?
you
you
want.
have
Look
a
at that.
You know
sick
the
Look at
law.
your.
daughter.
Look at the
You know
father-in-law.
the
He's
law.
again trying to. He's again trying to,
No.
misguide Richa
Richa, you
against
have
me.
a right. You have a
Look
right
at
to
that.
speak about your
He
Ankit. You
doesn't
have to
want to
right.
me and my wife to live happily. He always comes in between, and
I
it's
came to your
because of
house
him
to
we fight.
condole you.
Okay,
Complain,
okay.
I came to your house, but on
but
that time
Richa
you
complained
insulted
against
me.
of you. Richa complained against
Ma'am,
of you,
Richa
so you
is
beat her,
Richa.
you torture
Ma'am, Richa is
her, you
innocent.
did not
No,
give the
no,
respect
no.
her,
Ma'am,
you did
Richa is
not
very
start.
innocent.
Madam, always gets the money from
No,
me.
no.
Arey, Richa is
No,
very
Yes,
innocent.
ma'am.
It is
He
because
told
of
me
her
no,
that
father
your
Okay,
that
father
Ankit, Ankit,
don't give
Ankit.
me
he
a
has
single
made
penny.
this
Ankit,
He
complaint.
told me that
treat like
your
a
father
servant.
don't
You
give me
treat
a
like a
single penny.
servant.
You always talking me like I need a money. That's it, ma'am. I fed up from to giving money to
You want
Ankit.
a Dory, na?
No,
Yes,
no.
they wanted
No,
a
ma'am.
car.
I never
Sometimes they
asked for
wanted a
a.
I
money for
filed your
want
I
to
Dory case
open
told
a
you,
new
ma'am.
business.
I
against you,
told you,
Ankit.
ma'am. This guy
I
had split
filed Dory
personality.
case against you.
Okay, Rajni, arrest this guy.
No, ma'am.
Arrest,
No, please
arrest,
forgive
arrest
me.
him. Arrest him. Arrest him.
Forgive me. Forgive me.
बाद में
Forgive
देखेंगे.
me. Don't arrest me.
Ankit,
No,
give me
no,
one
no,
lakh
no,
rupees
no.
again
No,
to
Ankit,
madam.
इसका
No,
second,
this
इसका
time around
Ankit,
I'm very.
अंकित इसका सेकंड पार्ट वी
Yeah.
विल डू इन कोर्ट. कोर्ट में सेकंड पार्ट करेंगे.
Right, sir.
कोर्ट में
Right.
अरेस्ट हिम,
Right.
अरेस्ट हिम, अरेस्ट हिम.
No, please forgive me. Richa, help me. You can't do that. Aman beta.
You,
Don't worry, Richa. Come with me. Don't look at your husband. Come with me. Come to my
Aman
house.
you
beta.
deserve this. You deserve this. You
Aman,
No,
deserve this.
don't
Richa,
talk to
don't
your
do
That's
this
why
with
husband.
you are
me.
here.
Let's
That's
go.
why you
No,
are
no.
here.
Ma'am,
Don't
arrest
do
him.
this with me,
Slap
Richa.
Thank
him.
you, madam, for supporting
Aman,
me.
how can you
Aman
say
beta,
that?
come with
Why
me.
did you slap
Aman
me?
beta, come with me. Let's go.
लेट्स
See
गो.
Let's
on
go
the
out.
court.
I love
Let's
you,
See
go
on
beta.
the
out.
court.
I
On
slapped
that
you, but I also
father.
love you.
Aman, I told you
No,
don't
you didn't
talk
give
with
me
your
anything.
father.
See on
Why
the
you
court.
talking with
I
your
also
father?
love you.
Lovely, lovely.
Come with
Okay,
me.
guys, thank you. You can clap for yourself, everybody. It was really nice, nice performance. Amazing. This is what I always want, guys. I want each of you to speak as much as you can in order to come out of that hesitation problem, which most of the guys have hesitation. So I'm telling you, English is not like how are you, where are you going. If you're speaking this much, this is not communication. This is not English. English is beyond this. You have to quarrel. You have to speak a lot. Then you will be fluent. It was fabulous. One day or other, I will keep on bringing such kind of programs, role play. The second part will be done in the court. कभी भी हम करेंगे, कोर्ट में होगा second part. कि अंकित अपने लिए लॉयर ढूंढेंगे और अदालत का एक
Or
procedure.
whether,
आप खुद
or
लॉयर बन
whether
सकते
this.
हैं.
Yeah.
और अंकित खुद एक लॉयर हैं तो खुद अपना डिफेंड कर सकते हैं. ऐसा भी होगा.
Wow.
या हाँ, अंकित वाकई लॉयर हैं. इनका प्रोफेशन लॉयर है, एडवोकेट है ये. ओके फाइन गाइज. तो इट वाज फैबुलस.